Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I recently made a trip to my local Dollar Tree store, so I'm going to share with you some of the things that I purchased, what you can do with them, and I'm also going to show you how to make this really cute little gift. I read all of your comments, and one of the comments that stands out the most to me is patterns. How can I make this? How can I make that? And patterns are available, and sometimes they are in places you don't realize that they are. If you go into, let's say, Joann's Fabrics and Crafts store, and you look in the pattern books to get patterns, they can be upwards of $20 for one pattern. So go to your local 99-cent store or the Family Dollar or Dollar General, but I'm going to talk about Dollar Tree because it's just around the corner from my house. Here is something you can use to make your own scarecrow decoration. You can trace around all of these pieces, cut fabric out, and create your own little scarecrow doll. These would be really easy to trace around. So get yourself over there to Dollar Tree and see what you can find. For this up here, you can use a great big sunflower button. Put ribbon across the hat. You can use yarn for the hair and everything else that's coming around here. Here's your template for an owl. So you could trace around certain parts. So the wings, just kind of curve it out almost like a football shape, except it's skinnier. So you can create pieces about this size. Curve the head down just a little bit, put the little points up here. It shows you where to put the eyes, and then here's your feet. So you can create a pattern just out of buying this. And again, this is just made out of felt. Really inexpensive. Also, pumpkins. Look at this. You can also use this as a template. Really easy to do. It's even got a nice little leaf shape up here on the top. So think about using these things that you find in these inexpensive stores for your templates to create your own patterns. Here is a really thin piece of wood, and you could, of course, either paint it, but if you want to make it out of cloth, all you need to do is trace around it. You could use this as an applique on a pillow, or maybe making a welcome banner for your front door. So here is an acorn shape. Now, if you like big acorns, look at this one. That one's really, really big. Again, you can use these as templates. Trace around those different areas. Use up some of your fabric scraps to create this really cute acorn. You can make it in a great big acorn pillow to put up on your shelf. And again, use it on a welcome banner for your front door. You know me, if you've been watching, you know I like to do a lot of leaf patterns. Here are templates that you can use. They're just little inexpensive felt pieces. Trace around these and use them as little appliques. Put it on a table runner, pot holders, oven mitt. So you can make all kinds of fall decor just by tracing around these. So think about that. I absolutely love this giant leaf. Here again, great one for making a welcome banner for your front door. You could put the leaf on there with a little acorn shape, maybe use ribbon, or if you have an embroidery machine, type out the words welcome fall or just welcome Christmas. Look at all these trees. So you can use this shape as an applique to put on a pot holder, even placemats, all kinds of things that you can use these appliques on. You can make each tree a different color and put a string of them on a table runner. Also, look at this. snowflakes. Great little template for putting this on a beautiful winter table runner. I think this would look absolutely beautiful. And also, here's a gingerbread. These are all made out of felt, really inexpensive. So you could make a cute little gingerbread table runner. Also use it as a template for a pot holder. And if you like giant gingerbread, and it even comes as a little kit. It's got these things you could stitch on there, but you could use fabric, make a gingerbread doll. Now, not only do I go to the Dollar Tree store, but I just wanted to throw this in. Walmart has seasonal fat quarters. These are fall. It's got turkeys and pumpkins and all that. They also had Halloween fabric fat quarters. So if you're going to make trick-or-treat bags for the kids, you could go there and buy a few of these very inexpensive fabric to use for a trick-or-treat bag. These are only $1.47. So look at Walmart for some of your fabrics. You can make pot holders out of these fat quarters, put a bunch of them together and make a table runner. Now this was something I found at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you a quick little way to decorate this pretty little towel. I'm going to use this green rickrack that I found at Walmart, really inexpensive, and I'm going to use this fabric to trim it out on the bottom, and this fabric was also purchased at Walmart. The reason why this towel is so inexpensive is the edges are just serged. They're not finished off very nice, but I still love the terry cloth leaf fabric. So I'm going to turn the edges over about 1/4 of an inch and stitch across all 4 sides just to give the towel a more finished look. Cut a piece of fabric that is about 3 inches longer than the width of your towel, and then cut it anywhere from 4 to 4.5 inches wide this way. Then at each end, fold it over once and press, fold it again and press, and then on the inside folded edge, stitch right across there. Then after that, to do the hem, you're going to repeat the same step, fold it over and press all the way across, again fold it over and press, and then stitch again on this inside folded edge. So here's the bottom edge where we've just folded and stitched it down across the bottom. Then on this other edge up here, fold it under 1/4 of an inch and press it. Then place it across the edge of your towel, or the bottom edge. I like to place mine anywhere from 1/2 an inch to 1 inch below the bottom edge of the towel. This towel is a little small, so it gives it a little more length. Wrap your edges around to the side at both ends and stitch along this side. So from the back side, you're going to stitch here and then here. Also stitch this top edge down close to the edge right along there. Cut a piece of rickrack or ribbon. You can use ribbon also. And place it to where it's over the towel and the fabric here. So the center of the rickrack is right there at the folded edge. So place it there. You're also going to wrap it around to the back. Stitch it down the center of the rickrack all the way across. It's all done. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap it up and present it as a gift to someone. So take a piece of cardboard that is about 1/3 of the width of the towel. This one here is 5 by 11.5. Okay, so turn it over onto the back. Place the cardboard in the lower portion of the towel. Fold it over. Then take some tape so that it all stays in place. And I recommend just taping it down in a couple of places. All right, now take the other edge I recommend you put a little bit more tape. Use transparent tape so they can't see. Okay, then fold this over like that and turn it over to the front. Take a piece of ribbon of your choice, wrap it around and tie a knot in it, and then place a wooden spoon and then tie a bow. And this makes a really inexpensive and really cute gift for someone. For more decorative towel projects, go to the very end of this video. So scroll to the end, play the video to the end, and you will see a green screen, and on that screen are links you can click on to take you to more projects. If you like this video, click on the old thumbs up button and then click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right hand corner of your screen. Then click on that little bell and enter your email address so that you receive future email notifications about my latest video. If you're not receiving notifications, go to your cell phone or iPad, go to settings, and set notifications to the on position. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny. So glad you came to my sewing room. See you next time, and happy sewing!